In this video, I'm going to show you an overview of our 8-ounce standard powder-coated steel weight set. First, we have our weight bulge. This allows the bolt to go through and hold everything together and is contained at the end by this hex-shaped piece, which holds the end of the bolt and stops it from turning. Here you can see our 8-ounce powder-coated weight, which slides right on the bolt. Next, you'll need the economy weight spacer. You can see how much threads are left. These pieces are specifically designed so that the bolt is just long enough to not poke through the bottom of the retainer, as you can see once we tighten the retainer all the way in. You can see how the bolt stops at the very end of the retainer. This is crucial. You don't want it to poke you while you're wearing this. If you order additional weights to use with our weight sets or do not use the bulge and spacer, you must be sure that the bolt does not protrude into the inside of the retainer.